Welcome to our plant. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how smartphones are made, step by step. Be sure to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Every smartphone contains engineered components designed for speed, efficiency, and durability.
Each batch is refined and tested for quality and precision before final assembly.
Every smartphone is thoroughly tested before leaving the facility.
And that's how smartphones are made. From start to finish.